To create a new order, first, you need to open the Orders tab and click Create New Order. Find your customer in the database. Enter all relevant information about the order, and head on over to the next tab. Click Add Products. Search and select the items you wish to add to your order. Once you are done, you can move to the Shipping tab. Here you can choose your preferred carrier and shipping method. If you skip this step, the ship weight will be entered automatically, if it's set in the SKU shipping preferences beforehand. And you will need to select the shipping carrier and shipping method inside Shipbridge, or the shipping solution that you're using, if it's integrated with Sellercloud. Next step is billing. You can automatically fill in the required info by using the same address as your shipping address. Make sure everything's alright, and finalize your order by clicking the green flag icon at the end. The last step is to pay for your order. Click Proceed to Payment. Choose the operation type and payment method. Once you are all done, click the Receive Payment button, and your order is ready to be shipped. Any future modifications to the order can be made from the order page by pressing Edit.